91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And this is Thursday, May 23rd, 2019, 5:44 p.m. Now they have the courtroom handbook and federal evidence, Steve Goody and Olive and Guy Urban. They got the modern scientific evidence, David L. Fegum, David H. Kamen, Michael J. Sakes, Joseph Sanders. Federal jury practice and instruction, Kevin F. O'Malley, J. E. Grang, and William Lee C. Federal trial obligations, objections would be Charles B. Gibbons. That's Charles C.A.B. Gibbons. Last his name is Gibbons. Instructions available on CD-ROM, ebook, online. Federal practice procedures, Charles Allen, Wright Arthur R. Miller, Harry K. Kane, Edward H. Cooper, Richard L. Marcus, Kenneth L. Graham, Victor James Golden, Richard D. Furr, Vicar David Amar, Joan Ewan Stammen, Nancy J. King, Susan R. Clean, Andrew Day Liplode, Peter J. Henning, Sarah L. Welling, Charles H. Koch Jr., Catherine T. Struve, and Michael H. Graham. This is also on CD-ROM. Multi-District Litigation Manual, David H. Herr. Legal Ethics Lawyer, Desktop and Professional Responsibility, Ronald D. Rodden and John S. Dvoretsky. Joint venture with American Bar Association. West Federal Administrative Practice is Federal Practice Experts, West Federal Forums, Federal Practice Experts, CD-ROM. Federal Court Appeals Manual, David G. Knipp. Federal Practice Desk Book, Charles Allen Wright, Mary K. Kane. Federal Practice Desktop, Charles Allen Wright, Mary K. Kane. Handbook Federal Evidence, Michael H. Graham. Trustee of Constitutional Law, Ronald J. Ronan, John E. Nowak. Handbook of Federal Civil Discovery Disclosure, J. E. Gring, Jeffrey S. Kinsler, includes forms on disk. On Manual Complex Litigation, David F. Federal Sentencing Law Practice, Thomas S. Hunch, Peter H. Huffman, Deborah Young, Samuel G. Popskill. Federal Criminal Restitution, Charlton M. Goodwin, J. E. Gerthin, Nathan A. Fishback. Administrative Law Practice, Charles H. Koch Jr., and Federal Case News. I just went through the Moses Lake Police Department and called the police department and waited over the 24-hour fitness. So I walked all the way from 24-hour fitness to 411 South Baldwin Police Station, State Patrol Unit. I contacted them knowing that I'm at the 411 South Baldwin Police Station. And the police officers didn't show up. I told them the police officers didn't show up to 24-hour fitness here in Moses Lake on Stratford Road. I got stolen items, some stuff missing, and also the laptop. That's Sebastian, and also General Manager Staples on Stratford Road, and that's Andy Miller, C.O. Benton, at C.O. Benton, Washington, U.S., United States. 509-735-3591. 50 number is 509-736-3066. That's the fax. And Andy Miller has been submitted the inquiry on the route number, the checking account number from 24-hour fitness, and it's been submitted by fax from Staples, and that's 56 pages. All those 56 pages were paid in full, and we have Google ebook, Google, and services that are activated have a laptop, and the laptop, I just brought that in over to the police station and let them go over it. Administration office has the Google accounts, receiving accounts, all that has been changed and set up and overridden because I'm at the police station with the laptop and the merchandise and the items that have been taken out of the process. Of the laptop's broken has insurance, has coverage, all coverage on the laptop. Anything that is damaged on the laptop has coverage, just like the Ford Mustang, Ford Mustangs, the F-150, F-250, 350, 550, and 650. They have the 550 Ford on the lot at Bud Clare Ford on Pioneer Way. Frontage Road has Tundra and Wrangler AMC Jeeps. They have the administration office with Colorado Chevy trucks, pickups. On I-90, here's a stipulation port on Edding on the opiate side of the communities, like previous employment record. That's on my laptop, has all the manifest record. There's no disabled services, there's no manifest, there's no disabled services on it. It's all active. UBI number 602720, and that is Miller's Jury, Todd Levette, and also Amber. You can't miss it. Big old sign, right? It says Miller's Jury, downtown Moses Lake. Now, this has the chapters, has the ebook systems on it, has a review of sentence guidelines, has the procedure issuance enforcement order of restitution, also has the order of chapter miscellaneous sentencing provision for using sentencing guidelines and information concerning background check, character, conduct of person convicted of offenses in the court of the United States of America received, consider for purpose of opposing appropriate sentencing on these sentence guidelines. Now, the Google password and receiving code and breaking, getting into people's password systems has the offenses and has the opposing offenses like pornography, child pornography, or making pornography with an adults, and adults having pornography with, how would you say, underage children, anything under age 18, and open containers, and anything in violation of driving on a suspended license on a DWI, or getting pulled over with a freeze DWI, with offenses with other minors and in consumption, minors in possession, minors and with weapons, minors carrying guns, handguns, or anything banishing handguns, or opposing intimidation on Cascade or the boat race weekend here in Moses Lake or in Kennewick or the Pasco side or the Richland side of Tri-Cities. There's always beer gardens and wine gardens, and also the adversaries in carrying the William Wilbur Trafficking Victim Protection Reauthorizing Act, which was established in 2008. Amendment and Sentencing Guidelines and Pursuit Authority, Section 994 of Title 20 United States Code. United States Sentencing Commission shall review and appropriate amend and sentencing guidelines, policy, state applicable provisions, convicted alien harboring to ensure conformity of a sentencing guideline acceptable to the person convicted of promoting a commercial sex act, like I just said, child pornography. And anything on my laptop, anything on my information, I give to the judge, I give to the prosecutor, I give to the mayor of the city of Seattle, Spokane, Tacoma, Tri-Cities, and the federal courtroom. I come in the federal courtroom, I go in the district courtroom, I go in the municipal courtroom, I go in the policy procedures. I give that information, I get that laptop straight up to the administrative prosecutor and the judge. Actually, I give it to the judge right off the bat. I push the button to activate her and activate it right there and show her the whole 9 yards on YouTube, Facebook, and that's 180 face apps, media apps, and that's Staples. You got boom boxes, you got wireless receiver, wireless chargers, you got domain, firewall, and you got Shield, you got antivirus, you got anti-security, you got internet security, you got maximum security, which covers all 10 devices. And you can cover up to 5 to 10 years, 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, whatever the program might be you have for your purchasing your laptop. But you have that laptop and you didn't activate that laptop after the fact of a year or 2 years, and it's a brand new laptop like the Surface. Activating your Surface Microsoft 365 U-Business Remember, this policy, William Wilbur's Trafficking Victims Protection Review Authorization, was established in 2008. 1990, 72, 1990, 1991, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 900, 2000, 2001, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. May 2019. The 27th, 5:54 p.m. And also the bus routes are coming in right now as we speak. So you got a bunch of things to think about when you damage or steal from people. And the priority is editorial notes and confrontation and intimidation, child molesters, murder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got people with assaults, 4-degree assaults, DWIs. You got people driving with the DWIs and hit and runs. Like myself, I'm a hit and run. I was hit and run, but she didn't go nowhere because I stayed underneath the vehicle, held her in custody. I can easily bench press the SUV Trailblazer 4-door, or actually tow her away and take her driver's license and hole punch that department license with Mr. Vasquez. Right on Broadway. That's YouTube, Facebook, and Streamline. Officers are very, very aware of whole 9 yards. That laptop, that Samsung 10, 78910, all individuals. You don't steal from anybody. You don't steal from information, people like that, or betray. Just like I'm in front of the judge taking that documentation piece of paper. Says department license, UBI number, active UI number. Please make your payment on the show date. Please show your appearance your date. If not, you'd be a warrant for your arrest. And you have any outstanding warrant, you'd be a fugitive of justice. If you're a fugitive of justice from California and you're harboring a victim here and intimidating people here in Washington State, and you just love to assault a police officer, you love to beat up a state patrolman, or you like to beat up a U.S. Marshal, or you like to threaten a federal judge while I'm eating at the table with my food, feeding my household, and it's going into their mouth and digestive system, into their stomach, and into their eyeballs and sights of their documentation where it says, please make your payment due by shown date at a certain address and your certain property, your arrangement, UBI, a Vista utility bill. That's Spokane, Washington Street, and here, Benton, POD in Kennewick, Washington, and Franklin POD in Pasco, Washington, and Richland POD in Richland, Washington, Washington State University. And this is, says Car Mandeep, 1400 East Main Street. He gave grandfather $85,000 here at Eagle Escrow Service. And now it's a different farmer. And it's motivated just like Dano Law Firm. They have Center Garage Centers and a FedEx parked in the area. So it's all good. You're under influence, your eyes are dilated, and so forth. I could easily punch out your ID, ma'am. I have all these staff members, the police officers can just step all in. I'm gonna just jump in ambulance and go straight to Samaritan and write all this documentation. You got your insurance supplies, driver's license, and so forth. Sobriety test, your speech impairment, you have any banished weapons or exposed weapons on you, that's all good. But the thing is, there's a policy number, there's an affidavit, and the Global Life Accident Insurance Company has a policy number, and it says please pay by that months in increments. There's a 1-month program, 3-month program, 6-month, or 12-month program. That's all good. The Global Life Accident Insurance Company of Oklahoma City, and that's McVeigh. Tim McVeigh, actually, the Unabomber from Oklahoma City. And this is the editorial chapter 58, United States Sentencing Commission. United States Commission established all-purpose terms, officers, compensate powers and duties of chairman, duties of commission, powers of commission, directory and staff, annual report, and definitions. United States Commissions established and purposes in this fact. Guidelines are not expressed at its range, definitions, and purposes of any objectives on 4 sections authorized in Section 3553. I just go on and on. Procedure of issuance, enforcement of order of restitution on the laptop. Laptop go with Washington State University, Gazette University, the whole 9 yards. Washington Bar Association. The Global Life Insurance has an accident insurance company from Global Oklahoma. The zip is 73184. That's all good. It was documented and put it on YouTube stream. This is 180 media apps. And this is Staples coming to you live. This, of course, I'll wait all day. I walk straight to the police station. It's all good. Call State Patrol. I'm sitting there waiting. Really busy. This is really busy. It's 6 o'clock, Thursday, Tuesday. And there's a lot of crime wave activity. Homeless people, activity, alcoholics, suicide acts. You got all kinds of individuals carrying knives on them in the library. Public library carrying knives. And carrying knives and banishing knives and threatening individuals in libraries. Ages from 1 to 12. You got bullies everywhere. Unpredictable day today.